Good morning, students. Today we will learn a new chapter. The chapter name is Profit and Loss. Okay, Profit and Loss. Students, in our daily life, you know that in our daily life, when we go to market to buy some things, on that time, these two items, one is profit and another one is the loss. These two things you can see very easily. Suppose that when you want to buy something, suppose that you want to buy a pen, suppose, okay, one pen, then you have to be go to market and buy this pen. Suppose the cost of the pen is 10 rupees, and if you want to sell this pen to any of your friend in the price of 15 rupees, then very simple, on that time you will get a profit. That means 5 rupees profit. Okay, 15 minus 10, that is 5 rupees profit. In the case of loss, suppose you have bought a pen from the market in the cost of 10 rupees, and if you want to sell it, suppose you have sold it at the cost of 8 rupees, so on that time you will get a loss. Okay, so this is actually the profit and loss. So students, in the profit and loss, here some important terms are needed that you have to be memorized. Number one is CP. CP means cost price. Okay, so what is cost price? So cost price, the price at which an article is purchased is called its cost price. Okay, next one is selling price, that means SP. The price at which an article is sold is called its selling price. Okay, now how you have to get profit or loss? Students, if selling price, that means SP, is greater than CP, on that time you will get profit. When selling price is greater than CP, that means cost price, on that time you will get profit. Okay, in other hand, when the cost price is greater than the selling price, on that time, students, you will get loss. I am repeating to tell, when cost price is greater than selling price, on that time you will get loss. Okay, so this is the profit and loss. So we can find out the profit is actually profit, PROFIT. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay, so we can find out profit in the formula as selling price minus cost price, and very simple, you can find out loss of any item by using the formula cost price minus selling price. Okay, so in this way we can find out very easily profit and loss. Now how can we find out the profit percent and loss percent? There is a formula, some formulas are there. Number 3, gain percent. Profit also we can say as gain. So here gain percent will be gain by CP into 100. Gain by CP into 100, this one. Okay, gain by CP into 100. And in the case of loss percent, we can apply the formula loss by CP into 100. Okay, loss by CP into 100. Next, another one, students, if cost price and gain percent, these two items are given and asked to you that find out the selling price of the article, then you have to be use number fifth formula. So in this case, selling price will be 100 plus gain percent by 100 into CP. Okay. In the another case, number 6 formula, when cost price and loss percent are given and asked you that find out the selling price, on that time you have to find out the selling price as selling price equal to 100 minus loss percent by 100 into cost price. And in another case, when students selling price and gain percent is given and to ask you to find out the cost price, on that time cost price will be 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP. And the formula 8, when students selling price and loss percent are given and to ask you to find out cost price, so in that time cost price is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percent into SP. So these are the total 8 formulas are there that you have to be memorized. Okay, now friends, come to the exercise. Here, first question of the exercise 11a. Number 1, find the selling price when cost price is given and gain is also given 6%. So we know the formula, that the formula is, students, here the question here given that you have to find out selling price, that cost price and gain percent is given. So on that time the selling price will be 100 plus gain percent by 100 into cost price. So this is the formula that you have to be applied. So here you can write 100 plus, students, here gain percent is given 6% and cost price is given 950. So you write 100 plus 6 by 100 into cost price is 950. Okay, so now just calculate. You will get 106 by 100 into 950. So that means here 0 will be eliminated. So eliminate by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 90s are 95, 2 53s are 106. So here 53 into 19. So 53 into 19. So 19 3s are 57, carry 5, 19 5s are 95, 95 plus 5, that is 100. So here the cost price is somehow maximum. How it's possible? No, cost price is 950. So selling price is 1007. So this will be rupees 1007 rupees. Okay. So in this way you have to be solved. Here question number 1. Understand? Now come to the next question. In this way, students, you have to solve question number 2, 3, 4 or question number 1. Okay. Now come to the next question, question number 2. Here question number 2 tells that find the gain or loss percent when cost price is given and selling price also given. You can see that here cost price is 2400 and selling price is 2592. So now it will be so here you have to write question number 2 1. Here cost price is given 2400 and selling price is given 2592. Okay, so students, since selling price is greater than cost price, so here the gain will be occurred. So here gain will be selling price minus cost price, that means 2592 minus 2400. After subtracting, we get that 192 rupees. Okay, 192 rupees is the gain. So gain percent will be, so right, gain percent. So we know the formula. Gain percent means gain by CP into 100. So gain here 192, CP here 2400. Into 100. 0 0 will be eliminate. Now 24 and 192 eliminate with 8. So here the gain percent will be 8%. Okay students, so in this way you have to be solved question number 2 1. Okay, 2 1 2 3 4, 4 questions. Clear? Now next, here question number 3. In question number 3, you can see here, find the CP. You have to find out the CP when selling price is given and gain percent given. So just I am going to show question number 3 1. Here selling price is given. Selling price is 924 rupees and gain is 10%. So therefore the cost price will be, you know the formula, 100 by 100 plus gain. Gain means here 10 into SP 924. Okay, just calculate. You will get 100 by 110 into 924. 0 0 will be eliminated. Now 11 8s are 88, 11 4s are 44. So answer will be rupees 840. So therefore the cost price of the article will be 840. So in this way, students, you have to be solved. Question number 3. All the questions. Okay. So today your homework will be exercise 11A, question number 1, 2, 3. All the questions. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.